You're not weak, you're not undisciplined. You're fighting a war you didn't even know existed, and right now you're losing. Every app on your phone, every website you visit, every platform you scroll through was designed by teams of psychologists whose only job is to hijack your brain. They studied what makes you click, what keeps you watching, what stops you from looking away, and they built a system so powerful that you can't resist it, no matter how much you try. You sit down to work and your phone pulls you away. You promise yourself just 5 minutes and 3 hours disappear. You want to focus, but your brain won't let you because it's been rewired to crave distraction. And here's the part that should terrify you. It's only getting worse. But here's what these companies don't want you to know. Once you understand how the game works, you can beat it. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to take back control. Watch till the end because the last step is what separates people who stay trapped from people who break free. Here's how you regain control in a world built to distract you. 1. Treat your attention like money. You wouldn't let someone randomly take cash from your wallet. So why do you let apps randomly take minutes from your day? Every notification, every scroll, every quick check is a withdrawal from your attention account, and you're going bankrupt. Start asking yourself, is this worth my attention right now? If the answer is no, close it ruthlessly. Your attention is the most valuable thing you own. Protect it like it is. 2. Delete the battlefield. You can't win a war if you keep showing up to fight. Delete the apps that have you hooked. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever owns you. And I already know what you're thinking, but I need it for... No, you don't. You're addicted and calling it necessary. If you can't delete it, you just prove my point. Remove the apps and suddenly you're not fighting temptation 50 times a day. You remove the option, no willpower required. 3. Create friction for distraction. Make bad habits annoying. Log out of every account. Turn off all notifications. Put your phone in another room when you work. Use website blockers with passwords you don't memorize. Every extra step between you and distraction is a moment for your brain to wake up and choose better. Friction kills impulse. When scrolling requires effort, you stop doing it automatically. 4. Build a fence, not just a fence. Stopping distractions isn't enough. You need something worth paying attention to, a goal that actually matters to you, a project that excites you, a skill you're building. When you have something pulling you forward, distractions lose their power. You're not resisting anymore. You're choosing something better. Purpose beats willpower every single time. 5. Schedule distraction time. You don't have to quit everything forever. Just control when it happens. Give yourself 30 minutes a day for mindless scrolling. Set a timer. When it's done, it's done. This isn't weakness, it's control. You're deciding when you zone out instead of letting it decide for you. Controlled breaks prevent binge spirals. You're not weak. You're fighting a system designed to exploit your psychology, but now you know how to fight back. Start today. Pick one step. Take control. Comment, "I'm taking control" if you're ready. Subscribe if you refuse to let algorithms run your life.